Hi, my name is Raresh and it's my pleasure to present our work titled Self-Supervised 3D Key Point Learning for Ego Motion Estimation. This work was done in collaboration with Jeshong and Patrick from KTH, as well as my colleagues from TRI, Vitor, Sudeep, Hanme, and Adrian. In this work, we propose a novel self-supervised learning scheme for 3D key point learning, and in particular, we learn how to regress key points that are both texture as well as depth aware. We demonstrate the usefulness of our method on the task of ego motion estimation or visual odometry. Our work is motivated by three underlying threads. First, we build on the idea of self-supervised learning, whereby we try to leverage and learn from large volumes of unlabeled but structured data. And while curating labeled data can be tedious, difficult, or expensive, unlabeled video data is abundantly available, as cameras tend to be universally available in a wide variety of scenarios. Second, we are interested in key points, as they have been widely used to represent salient point in images. Finding and matching these key points is essential, since the associated correspondences can be effectively used for scene reconstruction and camera pose estimation. For traditional methods, the key point detector and descriptor are typically handcrafted and thus have limited illumination and perspective invariances. However, recent methods have shown that learning techniques can be used to improve the detection and matching procedure. And finally, understanding scene geometry is one of the most fundamental capabilities of any robotic system. And while depth from a single image is an ill-posed problem, recent research has shown that structure from motion and photometric consistency provides enough information to accurately learn to predict scene depth from monocular videos. Our paper extends related work and generalizes prior self-supervised key point learning methods to videos. Specifically, we propose a pipeline for key point detection, matching, and 3D lifting in videos. Our aim is to train key points that understand scene texture as well as scene geometry, noting that methods that operate on single images are limited in the kind of invariances they can capture. We propose to train two networks to regress key points as well as depth. To optimize the whole system jointly, we propose a novel differentiable pose estimation module based on the orthogonal Procrustes algorithm, and specifically we use the predicted key points in consecutive images to regress an SE3 pose that tightly couples key point and depth estimation. And finally, we show that our key points can be integrated in state-of-the-art tracking methods such as direct sparse odometry or DSO. And we show that our results are state-of-the-art when compared to other monocular methods and even rival state-of-the-art stereo long-term tracking methods. The images on the slide show the typical output of our system, with the top row showing matched key points across consecutive frames, while the bottom row shows the corresponding depth, and we show that our key points match both the dominant C motion or the ego motion as well as the motion of other dynamic agents in the scene. At a high level, our pipeline optimizes two different networks, the key point net and the depth net, through a combination of geometric and photometric losses. Our differentiable orthogonal Procrustes formulation allows us to propagate gradients throughout the pipeline. First, using the key point net, we extract key points in the target and context images. Additionally, we predict dense per pixel depth given the target image and associate a depth measurement with each target key point. Using associated descriptors, we compute correspondences between the target and context key points. At this stage, we computed a set of 3D points in the target image and associated 2D key points in the source image. To estimate the rigid pose given the computed correspondences, we propose a differentiable version of the orthogonal Procrustes algorithm, allowing us to propagate gradients throughout the pipeline. Using the estimated ego motion, we project the target key points into the context image, inducing an L2 loss aiming to minimize the reprojection error. Simultaneously, we use the estimated ego motion to synthesize the target image in the frame of reference of the context image, inducing a per pixel photometric loss. Our optimization is thus driven by an appearance component, namely the photometric loss, and a geometric component derived from key point correspondences via warping and projection. Note that the only module tying these two losses together into optimization is the ego motion estimation component. To demonstrate the usefulness of our method, we integrated our key points in the DSO framework using predicted descriptors to find correspondences and the predicted depth to discard false matches. We show quantitatively that our method achieves state-of-the-art performance compared to other monocular methods, and note that our method rivals state-of-the-art stereo long-term tracking methods. In the paper, we present qualitative results, additional detailed results on Kitty, as well as evaluate the performance of our key points and depth estimation networks. In conclusion, we propose a novel self-supervised pipeline for regressing depth-aware key points from monocular videos. We propose training jointly a depth and key point network thanks to a differentiable pose estimation formulation. Finally, we show state-of-the-art monocular VO performance via DSO integration. Thank you.